In 1912, the RMS Titanic set sail as the largest and most luxurious ship ever built, a floating symbol of human ambition and modern engineering. Designed with advanced safety features and divided into watertight compartments, she was widely believed to be nearly unsinkable. But on the night of April 14th, in the icy North Atlantic, Titanic struck an iceberg at full speed. The damage breached multiple compartments, beyond what her design could survive. As water poured in, panic slowly replaced confidence, and lifeboats, too few for everyone on board, were lowered into the dark sea. Within less than 3 hours, the great ship broke apart and disappeared beneath the waves, taking more than 1,500 lives with her. The sinking of the Titanic shocked the world, exposing the limits of technology and forever changing maritime safety, reminding humanity that even the greatest creations remain vulnerable to nature.